So, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Anish, I'm really sorry. I'm conducting it in Hindi, and you are not comfortable in Hindi. I mean, can't help it much. Tell
Yes.
me.
So it's okay, but can I speak in English?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, so sir, this is just a small question. So I've been trading the positional straddle, which which you have also shared, like enter 2 days before the expiry. So that I have been trading it successfully, and I've been profitable in that since 3 to 4 months. But my issue here is whenever I'm in, let's say, on the treadmill in the gym, it keeps running in the back of my mind, like what if a huge gap happens? So how should I position size myself for this kind of trade, and how should I not panic for huge gaps? Like I go back and keep seeing the charts of 2008 market crash.
Okay.
So this is my biggest worry. So how can I solve this, sir?
Yes. So it's a very good question, Anish, that you have asked. One of the best questions. And I can tell you, first, we'll start with a simple answer. The simple answer is that after 15 years of trading, and most of you know that my all my net worth is tied up to trading and investment. No gold, no property, nothing. So, and I don't hedge my overnight positions. At any given point of time, I have 15 to 20 open positions, which are long or short, and market meltdown will affect me. Having said that, when I am in the gym, or when I'm cooking, or when I'm playing with my children, this thing is always there in my mind. See, if you have learned the craft, if you are profitable, as you say, this is the easiest fucking profession in this world. Easiest. You just sit on your bum, in your undies, in your underwear, and a vest maximum, and you're printing money literally if you know the craft. So, as they say in Pirates of Caribbean, you have pledged your soul to the devil. I mean, I'm not wording it right, but you understand it, right? This fear of MTM, fear of drawdown, fear of gap down, it is going to be there. Even when you're 70 years old, it is going to be there. You have to note down how many of those fears actually materialize. I can tell you from my experience. I mean, touch wood, I have never, in when it comes to gap downs, I have never been affected severely by any gap down. Never ever. Touch wood. And once I was discussing with a senior quant guy, and he read my story about earning 1 crore in soybean, and he asked me a simple question: what if you were on the other side of the trade? If I was on the other side of the trade, out of 24 lakhs, I would have lost around 14 lakhs. I was immature. It was an oversized trade, no doubt about it. But I gave a follow up answer to him, and I'll repeat that answer here. The answer was, if you are trading in the market for long, and if you have your ears on the train track, you will know when the train is coming. Whenever any big meltdown happens, even unexpected meltdown like Japan tsunami, or surgical strike, or people getting assassinated and so on, or any scam. I was trading on the day of when Chidambaram announced P note. These things are, at the time of Chidambaram, there was a 10% down circuit in Nifty, and it was halted for 45 minutes. These things are known to insiders much before. Minimum 2 to 3 days before, it is known to them. At least one night before, it is known to them. That is how people, operators, earn money in this market. So what happens is, if you are looking at the data properly, if you're doing your hard work properly, and you are not just relying on one piece of software code or one piece of rule based system, if you are looking at the market structure as a whole, which I do, you will know about these happenings much before. It looks very funny, it looks very, it looks very absurd, but I'm telling you, with my 15 years of experience, I have never faced any circuit down or gap down opposite to my trade. Because 3 4 days before that trade, the movement starts. I'll give you a task at home, to do at home. Go and look at every 5% kind of a meltdown, 3% and 5%, and look at market behavior just before that. You will see a trend forming. As I am a trend follower also, so that is one part of the answer. If you are, I mean, first part I told you, the devil will be there in at the back of your mind that big drawdown can happen. What is a big drawdown in that straddle that we are talking about, positional straddle? That big drawdown is let's say on a 1 crore capital, that big drawdown is 15%, right? 20%. And what kind of return? 5% per month. So maximum you will be losing 3 to 5 months of income that you have made previously. Have I lost 5 months of income on a particular strategy? Yes, absolutely, in a single trade. So how to handle that? I divide my capital in different strategies, in different assets. Okay. For example, if I have taken a position in Nifty and I have also taken a position in dollar rupee, if there is a meltdown in Nifty, dollar rupee will go up. So although it's not a perfect hedge, but at a portfolio level, it works as a hedge. If I have taken a position, let's say in any particular stock like banking stock, if I have taken a buy position in HDFC Bank, and if I have taken a sold position in IndusInd Bank, those two positions are different. Those are not perfect hedges. But if there is a lower circuit in Nifty, IndusInd Bank will probably have a 20% circuit. So as your portfolio grows, you do at portfolio level, you combine different strategies in such a way that even if one strategy triggers a drawdown of 10%, 15% in a single event, in a single day, which very, very rarely happens, then also at a portfolio level, loss is not much. Normal mistake people do is they find a strategy which looks too good, Kalmar or this Mar or that Mar is too good. They put all their money in that one particular strategy, and one day any strategy can blow up. That strategy blows up, and then they have a bad experience. So if you are doing it with a larger capital, divide into 2-3 strategies, preferably if they are not correlated. Okay. If you have a small capital, don't worry too much about it. The biggest capital that you have right now, and I can trade my capital with your capital. I can swap. Arey yaar, kaun hai yaar ye? Please have the courtesy to mute it, boss. I'll start taking names. Those who are living. तुम्हारा माइक अनम्यूट है, तुम किसी को गाली दे रहे हो, किसी को किस कर रहे हो, सब इधर सुनाई देगा. तो इतना तो जूम मीटिंग में इतना तो देखो यार कि म्यूट है कि नहीं. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू क्या बोल रहा था मैं?
Having uncorrelated systems.
So preferably so you have one capital which I don't have, and I'm willing to swap my capital with your capital. If you are willing, you have time on your hand. How old are you? 22, right?
I'm 25.
25. I am 42. So I can swap. I can be 25 and you be 42. I'll give you all my capital that I have accumulated. So अगर तुम्हारा drawdown, point being, अगर तुम्हारा drawdown हो भी जाएगा, even if you blow up an account, if your strategy is working, you are sincere, you're hardworking, blow up ho bhi gaya, you have the time capital with you to gather it again, to build it up again. And as I said, it rarely happens. So don't worry too much about it when you're in the gym. Second thing, take away from this particular thing I will tell you is, keep your ears on the railway track. I know many of you are not trading inflation. Okay. But look at inflation data. Look at what RBI governor is saying. Doesn't take much time. Don't be that ostrich in the sand. Look at when you are in the market, you are, as I said, it's the easiest fucking profession in this entire world. So you have to take the entire profession very seriously. Don't be that computer guy, that algo guy who has devised in strategy and he is drinking pina colada in Goa. Don't do that. Be in the market. Look at what is happening. Why it is happening. When it happened. Meltdown, why it happened. Small meltdown, why it happened. Why it was not so big. Ask questions. Be curious. And trust me, the bigger meltdown you will never see. Because you will not be trading on that day. With experience, that understanding will come. And before you gather that experience, even if you blow up your account, I'm assuming it's a small account because you're only 25. You have the time on your hand. Okay? Any other questions?
Sir, thanks a lot. No, nothing, sir.
So basically, don't fear too much about it. Yeah. And just
sir,
that your position sizing is correct, na? So everything falls in place.
So I trade 5 lakh rupees for one single lot of positional straddle. So is
you are even more conservative than me. So on 5 lakh one lot, your loss will be less than 10%. Worst case scenario, right?
Yeah.
उतना क्यों डरना है? 50,000 दोबारा आ जाएगा. 2 महीने की मेहनत है.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I got my answer. Thanks a lot. Yeah.